Awesome. Welcome to module 3. Congratulations on smashing those first two modules. I'm excited to jump into this one with you because we now have a fully optimized Instagram profile. We know what type of account we have. We know where we want people to go and what we want people to do when they get to our account, which is obviously follow us and buy our products. Now we start to put content out there. And this, remember, is the number one way that people are going to discover us on Instagram. Not many people are going to be searching for your account, but a lot of people are going to organically, and even in a paid way, I'm going to show you how to do both of those things, come across your content. And if you can have amazing content out there on Instagram that's relevant to your business and relevant to your account, you're going to be having these people discover that you exist through this incredible content, and then coming back to your Instagram account, discovering that your business exists, loving it, following it, and then buying your products and services. So it's a really, really important module, probably one of the most important things. If you could do one thing right on Instagram, it would be have amazing content, and that would automatically get out there to the world and organically be shared and have people discover you and come back and grow that account of yours. High quality content is the key. So what exactly we're going to cover in this module, we're going to go through the theme and the purpose of your content, making sure you know with every bit of content you put out there what its theme and what its purpose is doing, and if it's actually achieving that. So we're going to be making sure we're tracking that and seeing which things do the best, which things are the worst, and doubling down on the good ones, taking away the bad ones, and the stuff that makes sense. We're going to go through the types of content you can put out there and which types of content are going to be best for your account and growing your account and building trust with the people who already follow your Instagram account. We're going to show you how you can find content. You don't have to make every piece of content, but we are also going to show you how to make every piece of content if you wanted to create your own content. We're going to go through the best times to post on Instagram in order to get the most engagement, and we're going to go through the biggest mistakes that beginners make when starting to post their Instagram content out there. Now, once again, if you are confident you already know all of this, feel free to skip on to those growth lectures where we're going to show you how to make this content go as viral as possible in the next module. But if you're not 100% certain, there's some small tweaks in here we make to what other people suggest and what other Instagram gurus are telling you. And those strategies don't actually work anymore. They're 2016, 2015 sort of strategies. We have the latest stuff for you in this module. So if you're not 100% confident, please do watch it and please do get that knowledge and understanding, and then move on to the next module with that as a foundation that's going to help you grow even further. So let's jump in together and create some amazing content.